Hey guys, the good folks over at AZZUNO sent me over this Cordless Impact Wrench. It's got some pretty good details here on the side. I'm going to put them right over here for you to read them while I'm getting this opened up. See what we have here. See, right now it comes in a nice case. There's a branded logo on the front of it. Nice hard case. Feels pretty heavy and solid, that's for sure. Nice metal latches, not the cheap plastic ones. Pretty fancy. Comes with our different impact sockets, 3 of them in all. Comes in a 21 millimeter, a 19 millimeter, and a 17 millimeter. Our battery charger, a 4 amp hour 18.5 volt lithium battery. Actually, it comes with 4 sockets. Here's another one. A 24 millimeter, nice. Oh, it comes with 2 batteries. I didn't notice that one. Another battery here. Oh, just noticed something. It has the power indicator on the back of the battery. You can push the little red button and it'll tell you how much power. Right now, we're just 1 bar. We're gonna have to get these charged up. See if this one had 2 bars. For our demonstration purposes, we're gonna use this one. Oh, wow. Holy smoke, this thing feels solid, y'all. Check that out. It has a little wrist strap. Oh, that's cool. You want to put that on there? I like that. That feels heavy duty, guys. Has your forward and backwards buttons right here by the trigger. Has your instruction manual. Has your handling instructions. And it looks like it comes with like 4 O-rings and some little pins. I'm assuming this is a belt clip. You could hang it on your belt upside down or hang it on a tool rack thing. Either way, it's there. Pop that thing in there and see. Has the selector right, let me show you. Okay, has the torque selector right here. That goes to sleep. You can just hit your button and that'll light up. You can change your torque on there just by pushing that little button right there. Pretty cool. In case you couldn't see it, this right here is the button. You push that and that'll tell you how much power you have in your battery. There we go. Okay, I just figured something out on this. When you're going in reverse, see it stops. If you push that power button again, it will continuously go. But when that light is on, it does that. Just a FYI. These are really handy when you need to do some work, like changing a tire on a car. This does have a little cap on it. Just remove that. And you can put your socket on there. Gets it right off. Tire changed out. Get ready to put it back on. After you get your tire changed, good to go. Check these while I'm here. Make sure they're good and tight. Good to go. Well, there you go, folks. Man, I tell you what, it did a heck of a job. I'm impressed with it. Heavy duty feeling. Got the different torque settings. That's a low, medium, and high. That ought to get the job done. I like it. Comes with the 4 different sockets, 2 batteries, battery charger, nice hard carrying case. I don't think you can go wrong. Definitely a thumbs up. I'm going to put a link down in the description in case you want to order your own today. Also, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.